Conditioned polymer pellets enter the feed chambers, preparing for the high-temperature melting process that transforms them into substrate material.
Advanced extrusion technology ensures the polymer is heated and mixed with extreme precision, monitored constantly by integrated sensors and robotic diagnostic units. Controlled cooling systems direct uniform airflow across the substrate as internal temperature sensors continuously monitor conditions. Automated systems make micro-adjustments.
The transparent polymer enters the plasma chambers, where a controlled energy modifies the surface at a microscopic level.
The optical alignment is holding steady at 0.5 microns. Good.
Initiate the laser sequence on Unit 4A.
Precision metering units apply the protective material evenly as the film passes through the coating rollers. Automated sensors monitor the thickness in real time. The continuous film advances through temperature-controlled chambers, where protective layers permanently bond to the substrate surface. As the polymer substrate unwinds, optical sensors scan the material, while servo-controlled systems maintain exact tension and alignment. The substrate advances through specialized printing modules, where precision plates apply intricate microtext and security patterns. Tracking the pilot line, we see precision extrusion equipment producing next-generation transparent polymer films, continuously monitored by advanced robotic systems.
Precision transport mechanisms guide the sheets through alignment stations, where machine vision verifies positioning accuracy.
Heavy engraved cylinders rotate, depositing specialized high-viscosity ink deep into the substrate, creating the Banknote's signature tactile features. Automated processing systems convert decommissioned currency into reusable polymer feedstock, continuously monitored by robotic quality control. Advanced drying and curing chambers utilize carefully regulated airflow to stabilize the intaglio inks on the polymer substrate. Robotic units ensure quality. Utilizing advanced optical testing equipment, we analyze the performance of next-generation banknote security features.
Ultraviolet verification units activate in sequence, analyzing hidden security structures as machine vision cameras examine every print layer.
Automated systems now compress the stacks into standardized currency bricks, continuously verifying alignment and production data in real time. State-of-the-art robotic systems ensure precision. Every currency brick is scanned and verified, maintaining the integrity of the logistics chain. Here, in the central vault, advanced robotic cranes integrate new shipments into the national currency infrastructure with surgical precision.
Route optimization is complete. We are clear for the midday transfer.
Acknowledged. Scheduling confirmed deliveries to all banking institutions. With final verification complete, the armored convoy transports the newly manufactured banknotes, integrating them directly into the national financial system.
The automated systems meticulously prepare the high-value Singapore banknotes, organizing them into secure dispensing modules for the national banking network.
Look at the flex endurance data here. We are seeing consistent performance across all samples.
That confirms the adjustments to the humidity controls are working.
Automated imaging systems meticulously scan the banknote surfaces, revealing the engineering sophistication of the security features.
The currency analytics platform provides real-time strategic insights, optimizing production and ensuring efficient currency circulation across the entire network.
These findings contribute directly to the ongoing advancement of polymer currency engineering and security technology.
This visualization captures the entire life cycle, from substrate production to final distribution networks.
The predictive inches. We finally achieved the target tensile strength. The optical sensors confirmed minimal degradation.
The simulation data
Look at the spikes in Region 4 distribution metrics.
Inventory records confirm the increased demand forecast.
The tensile strength on this batch is holding steady.
And the melt flow index confirms consistency across the recycled materials.
That aligns with the optical scan data.
The Singapore $10,000 banknote journey culminates here, a testament to advanced